have a question. Can you see anything? I cannot see much. I will not be able to talk a lot at first in this video, but I might talk a little bit, like, you know. I mean, I'm gonna do a lot of voiceovers, so yeah. If you're wondering why there is like 2 airplanes, it looks like, because I went on 2 airplanes to get to California. We're there. It's beautiful. I loved it. I'll be showing you a lot of plants in this, and it's just beautiful there. I never wanted to leave.
Wow!
Yeah, I know, right? Huh. This is a cheesy slow motion. Step. Step. Hey, look here. It's just an ordinary eagle. Look at it. It's so happy. There's a man. A man. A man. No, the man. But it looks so real. These artists are good. I know I've not talked in a while, but I didn't really get a chance. So, hello. And it's a Born 3 museum. Well, my dad liked it. I kind of enjoyed it. But look, there's a little town. That's just great. It's so cute. That is the moon. There's the floor, and then astronauts. Yes. I'm filming you.
I am not a crook.
Oh, hello. I'm now in this blue room, and I'm going to just turn the camera on for now, and I'm going to be at my hotel that we still haven't got. So, yeah. We actually went out to this really, really pretty outdoor area. I mean, look how pretty it is. That's painting, not the actual. And there's a pool, by the way. It's so cool. And plus, I wanted to bring you to this beautiful area. I don't want to leave you behind. And it seems like there's a lot of very cheesy slow-mo, so sorry about that. This is just a walking way. And these houses look weird, but they're a tour thing of presidents or whatever. I have no idea why I'm showing a bench. So yeah, why am I going in this corner? It was mysterious. So like I said, I'm gonna like in a couple hours, I'm gonna be at my hotel. So see you in like a half a second. I got this for lunch. Now I'm at my hotel, as weird as normal. Now I'm at dinner, and the view outside is beautiful. Well, pretty. I mean, not the tables and everything, but the clouds and the buildings. And oh, sorry. Am I being weird? Okay. And this is my meal that I got. And walking home with these beautiful palm trees. Wow. I did not know they did that in California until my dad told me. Oh yeah, babe. Oh, sorry. Oh, my dad's back home. That's annoying. Okay, hello. Let's just enjoy this walk back home.
Reegan is having a good time. She keeps bringing up 2 things, though. Chocolate muffins and the beach. So we'll see if she's able to get those 2 things by the end of this trip.
walking to my hotel, and I get in the elevator, and daily I get Nutella. I'm walking to my room, and my sister's blocking the way. Okay, and now I'm in. This is the bunk bed. This is my sister's, and this is mine. But I'm gonna have the top bunk for 4 days and the bottom bunk for 3 days. They're just gonna have the bottom bunk for 4 days, top for 3. Yeah, does that make sense? Homemade! Cool! I really feel like this video is gonna be long, but it'll be probably a 2-parter. Okay, now, seriously, to VidCon, now. Cooking with Reegan. Finally, we get to go to VidCon. Would you like my hair, right? These are my pictures from VidCon. I think we need to end this video today. Okay. Goodbye. Bye. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye. Or smash that like button.